All right. Back with another one. Here we go. So today we're going to learn how to create in-doc links, right? So we're going to be able to create links in a document that go to another part of that document, whether it's a section, a paragraph, a word, whatever you want, okay? This is pretty cool. So in the past, right, we know how to make links, right? Say we want to make a link in the doc where we right click and then we hit link and then we put what we want, right? We put like youtube.com, right? Bam, and they click on it and they go to it, right? Well, we're going to do something similar, except we're going to link out certain numbers, in this case, because it's a table of contents, to go to that associated page within the doc. It's in-document linking, right? It saves time, money, energy, and just, makes you work smarter, not harder, right? That's the whole goal. So basically, this is used, right, a lot of times in a table of contents setting, but you could use it any way you want. Once you see how to use it, you decide how you want to do it. You can do it as complicated or as easy breezy as you want. All right, so first things first. In the past, if I wanted to go to this section right here, it says page 3. I'd have to scroll down to page 3. Although it doesn't seem too heart-wrenching, right? You want to be able to just do like a one-click, bam, bam, bada, boom thing. You don't want to have to scroll, especially when you get into longer pages, all right? So here's what we're going to do. I want to create a link so that when I click on 3, it goes to page 3. Specifically, this section right here where it says directions for scoring chart, all right? So first things first, I'm going to actually go to page 3, okay? This is your first step. Go to the spot in which you want the link to go to, right? And then you're just going to left click, in this case, next to the top of the page heading, okay? This is where I want to go. It's a final clean copy. So I'm going to left click next to here. I'm going to go to insert, bookmark. That's step 1. Go to the part, insert, bookmark. Step 2, you're going to go to the spot in which that they're going to click on to go to that page, okay, or that part of the document, right? In this case, I want them to click on 3 to go to that section. Directions for scoring chart. I'm going to right click, highlight, right click, go to link, okay? And now you see where it says in this document, right? These are all the bookmarks that you made in this document. We're looking for directions and scoring chart for final clean copy in this document. All right, there it is, final clean copy, okay? And notice that when you left click on the 3 now, bam, it goes right to it. It's like magic, right? Not really. Now, let's say, right, you have something that is not at the top of the page. It's like halfway down. In this case, page 5 and 7 is this section, right? And page 7 also has this section. So I want to go down to page 7 and find where it says directions for 3.8, right? So I'm going to scroll all the way down. And it's not at the top of the page. It's like halfway down, right? Directions, text analysis response, right? So now, same process. Left click next to where you want the bookmark. Insert, bookmark, okay? Now, we're going to go all the way to the top, right? And then we're going to highlight the 7 because that's where we want the link to go. We're going to right click on it, hit link. Remember, we're going to hit in this document, okay? And there it is, directions, text analysis response. Left click on it. So now we're going to click on the 7. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, it's like magic, right? Bada boom, bada bang. Here we go. So, all right. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we're going to do. We're going to, make links within the document, okay? It's simple, and you can do it any way you see fit, okay? If you have any questions, contact me or Melissa. Have a great day.